Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial where we will guide you on how to remove background from any photo using CapCut. Here is a step-by-step guide. Launch the CapCut app on your device. Tap on the New Project button on the main screen. Select the photo you want to edit from your gallery and import it into your project. Add the photo to the timeline by tapping on the Add button. Tap on the photo in the timeline to select it. Look for the Remove Background option. Tap on the Remove Background button, then tap on Auto Removal. CapCut will automatically remove the background from your photo. If the automatic removal isn't perfect, you can use the brush and eraser tools to manually refine the edges. Once you're satisfied with the background removal, export your edited photo by tapping the Export button. By following these steps, you can successfully remove the background from any photo using CapCut's auto removal feature. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload. See you in the next one.